look at me like I'm magic anymore. When did loving me become such an awful chore? You don't look at me like I'm magic anymore. But you said you always would, baby, you swore. All the dreams I held for us and all the dreams we shared together, I remember when it felt like I was your queen. We sit, we talk, the spark is gone. You're cold now and you're so withdrawn. I never thought you had it in you to be so mean. You don't look at me like I'm magic anymore. When did loving me become such an awful chore? You don't look at me like I'm magic anymore. But you said you always would, baby, you swore. I held the water. It was pure and cool. I held the water, and I gave it all to you. You don't look at me like I'm magic anymore. You don't look at me like I'm destined to be yours. You don't look at me like I'm magic anymore. And I thought you always would, baby, for sure. You don't look at me like I'm magic anymore. And it all feels so different from before. And I know that I should walk away, but I'm so torn. How did all the magic I once had become yours? Thank you. Thanks to Great Culture and the Shoreway for having us this evening. This is such a cool event. This is really cool. And 79